Had a very nice bullish day for the SPY. Yesterday the SPY closed below the 5-day moving average, but today it closed way above the 5-day moving average. This is looking like a very strong bull trend. I said to you guys yesterday we had a bullish divergence with the VIX yesterday, especially the fact that they both had red days. So you see this red candle here and the VIX had a red candle here. Okay, that's a bullish divergence, and today the VIX dropped to and closed right at our 50-day. Actually, it's now right below our 50-day moving average. All right, 50-day was at 733. We got the VIX closing at 1729. Okay, it's starting to look very bearish for the VIX. And if it's bearish for the VIX, it's going to be very bullish for the SPY. Okay, remember I told you guys I have a price target up here at the 443 to 446 range. And right now, it's looking like SPY wants to get to my price target. Okay, now when we get to this range, I'm expecting some type of pullback. Let's see if we can hit this price target tomorrow, maybe Monday, because I'm expecting a pullback for next week. We'll see what happens. But right now, I'm bullish. Just like I said yesterday, you want to be a bull in a bull market. And here it is. Being a bull in a bull market is paying off. Okay, we had a bullish divergence. What else can I say? So price target 444, 443 low, 446 high. In that range, that's my price target, and it's looking like SPY wants to get there. Okay, especially with the VIX starting to drop, and the VIX dropped below the 50, guys. Let's go bulls. Moving on to the QQQ. Another one, I had a price target of 371 on it. It didn't quite get to my price target just yet. Very similar to the SPY. I'm confident that we get there. We had this bull flag here a couple days ago, and it broke out like I told you guys. Yesterday, it held the breakout. It came back, took out the areas of liquidity, and head right back up. And today, boom, look at that nice green candle, okay? So I think there's still more room to go up. I have a 371 price target. Let's see if we'll get a pullback there. If we do break the 71 price target, the next price target will be 376. But let's not get ahead of ourselves, right? So this is why we stay a bull in the bull market, guys. So QQQ still looking bullish, and I think it's going to hit my price target. All right, moving on to ARKK. Now look at that, big green candles. I told you guys a couple days ago when ARKK was red on this red hammer candle right here. Kind of a hammer candle. I said to you guys, the Bollinger Bands are squeezing, the moving averages are all squeezing. There's a big move coming, and sure enough, look at that big green candle there. Another big green candle today. I've been telling you guys about how I'm bullish on the ARKK, and I think we are currently on the fifth wave to our price target of 142. Mind you, in the fifth wave there are 5 waves. So this is wave 1. Here was 2, and it looked like we are headed for entering in wave 3, and then we possibly get a pullback around 132, 133, maybe possibly get the 4th wave pullback, and for the 5th wave to complete this overall 5th wave. Does that make sense? It's a lot of waves that I mentioned. Bottom line, I'm bullish. I got a price target of 142 for ARKK. Okay, I've been saying that I'm bullish for quite some time now. Even when the price was dropping, like I said, I don't pay attention to the price. I pay attention to the price action. Okay? So, I still got some more upside. 142 price target. I'm still bullish on ARKK. Alright, moving on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, holy moly. Remember I told you guys that Bitcoin's following the wick off accumulation? I've been saying this for I don't know how long at this point. But I think we're around this range. So it will get choppy from here. The market makers will look to fake us out and look to scare us, okay? But I think we're in phase D where it's going to get choppy, okay? So if you look at Bitcoin, all right, it got up here. Here's the first choppiness. So it's looking like 37K is looking like a good support, okay? And below that would be 35K, all right? Those are two critical support levels that I want us to watch for. Any of those 2 critical support levels get broken, Bitcoin will definitely see more downside, maybe even come down to 27K. But as long as those 2 critical support levels get broken, I think eventually we will break this 44, 45K critical resistant level and head up here to fill this area of imbalance, which is between 52K to 54K. All right, so guys, I am bullish on Bitcoin. All right, I think it's going to be choppy for a little while, and market makers will create some FUD, you know, fear, uncertainty, and all that good stuff. But hey, be objective, pay attention to the price action, all right? Don't let them control your emotion. All right, you are the master of your own emotion, and you're the master of managing your risk and funds and capital. Okay, you are in control. All right, so I am pretty much today. I'm pretty much bullish across the board. SPY bullish, QQQ I'm bullish, ARKK I'm bullish, Bitcoin I'm bullish. All right, so let's move on to our viewers' choice. Shout out to our viewer who you asked for LVS. It's not loves LVS. All right, Las Vegas Sand Corporation. You did mention that it's very oversold on the RSI. Now I do use the RSI. This is not, I don't use RSI as the main thing, right? I'm pretty sure you heard that before, that you don't use the RSI or one indicator as the main reason to make a decision. It does assist us, and I am seeing a major oversold situation here. However, look at this big green candle. All right, so this must have been a nice little relief. Okay, so it's trying to get back out of oversold territory in the RSI. It's heading there. Okay, so look at big green Shrek candle. However, look at our moving average. It's finding resistance at the 5-day moving average. That's a very bearish thing. Remember, when it's a strong bull market, we want to see the stock or the indice or the crypto trading off the 5-day moving average. All right, when it's a strong bull market, it's a lot of trades off of it. The same thing can be said about a strong bear market. We're going to get a lot of rejections from the 5-day moving average. Okay, so in the bull market, we get a lot of bounces or support from the 5-day, while it's the opposite. We get a lot of rejection from the 5-day in a bear market. So this is a very, very strong bear market. Okay, be careful trying to catch a falling knife. We had a lot of red days, a nice little relief day. Okay, so if we want to see some bullish momentum building, what we want to see is LVS closing above the 5-day moving average. So the 5-day moving average is currently at 40.72, which technically speaking, LVS did close above that. So we want to see LVS continue to hold above that 5-day moving average. This is going to take time. You got to watch it and see if it tests our next resistance. Our next resistance is at 43.75. Okay, so that's how it is. You got to play it by the levels. All right. So remember, as long as it's above the 5-day, the 5-day will serve as our support. Okay, and if it gets below the 5-day, then there's a lot of downside. Okay, there's a lot more downside. All right, so definitely watch. If it can stay above the 5-day, it'll definitely go and test the next level, the 13-day, then the 20-day, and so on. But yes, we do have an area of imbalance right here, as well as this very strong, resistant line right here, sloping to the downside. So maybe we can get some type of relief rally, but that will send us all the way back up above 50, around $52, $53. That would probably be nice. And it will start looking bullish again if it can stay above the 50. You have the 200-day. Okay, but as of right now, it's looking bearish, and we want to see it hold above $40.73. Right now it is. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Okay, good luck. Moving on to Unity. Unity has been on a crazy downtrend since December, January, earlier this year. That's a big downtrend, but I think you mentioned that possibly the third wave is beginning. Okay, I like how you think. Talking to a viewer that requested this. So this would be wave 1 right here. Let me move all these moving averages. So you can definitely see that a new trend is definitely forming right here. It's trading above all our moving averages except for this 200-day. This is relatively a new stock. That's why the 200-day moving average is not that long yet. Let me move these. Okay, so let me find my waves. So this is what I think would be happening. So that's be wave 1. This is 2. So 3 is supposed to be a long wave. 3 could possibly send us back up to this gap. We have a gap fill up here. Possibly get a pullback, maybe around here. Then we'll head up higher, right? Okay, we do have a gap fill up here. We'll see if maybe we can fill it for wave 3. I don't know. Just a guess. Just a guess. All right. So yes, I agree with you. I definitely think this is the beginning of wave 3. So definitely seeing some more upside to this. All right. I'm bullish on this stock right now. I hope that makes you happy. Yeah, it's starting to look good. So I think we're on wave 3. Bullish on Unity. Okay. So That's it for my technical analysis. It's probably one of my shorter ones. Okay, short and sweet. Got straight to the point. I hope this was able to help you, keep you guys calm. Hope you continue to beat this market, and I'll see you soon.